Hi there. So in this example, we're going to talk about how to create a Google Sheet. So you're probably already signed into your Drive, but if not, can just go to Google. This is a fast way to get there. You click Sign In. You enter your email, also known as your Gmail, your public schools one, and your password, and in you go. Once you get there, you can open up the Drive by going to the Apps button. Lots of people call this a waffle when they're explaining it to kids because it sort of looks like a waffle. You can hop onto your Drive and get started creating your Google Sheet. A Google Sheet is like an Excel spreadsheet, so there's lots of different applications for it, but to create it you just click New, go to Google Sheets, and it opens up your spreadsheet. And like I said, it's similar to Excel. It has the same capability because it's on the Drive. Your changes are going to be saved automatically. You can share it with other people and work collaboratively. You can make all the same formatting changes, or most of them, that you can do in Excel. And same thing in terms of naming it. I like to name my documents, my spreadsheets, my slideshows, my drawings, whatever it is I'm making right away, so that I don't have a whole bunch of untitled documents or sheets in my Drive. So that's how you can get started there. Now what I wanted to do is show you a couple examples of how I used it with kids, or how Annette and I used it with kids. So in my 6th grade class, I had students in their social studies class. They were working on studying different countries. Their teacher wanted them to look up the literacy rate, life expectancy, fertility rate, all these things for the country that they had. So we used the CIA.gov website, and they went and found this information. What I did was I created the sheet. So I put all the names of the countries on one side. I put the column headings for what they needed to look for. I formatted it so that it showed currency or percentage or whatever it is we wanted it to show. And then they went in and typed in the numbers. After all the students typed in their numbers, we graphed specific information about each country, or we compared, certain countries. It was a really great learning experience for them in terms of not only learning about the country and the other countries and using the internet, but in terms of teamwork and collaboration, because they had to stay within their own workspace again. And that's a whole nother lesson that you need to go over before you start that. But there's so much that goes into an assignment like this, other than just what you see the spreadsheet here. Another thing that Annette did with her kids was, it doesn't have to be a difficult thing. This is just a word search that the student used their spelling words for. So you just create borders and center the text and capitalize it. They put their words in. They have their word bank, and then they fill in the rest of the puzzle. So it can go from something really difficult to something really easy. And we'll discuss some other options for Google Sheets as we continue on with our workshop. Thanks for watching.